Small flagship phones are dead, or so we thought. But now, OnePlus is bringing them back in a big way, or should we say, a small way. Meet the OnePlus 13S, a compact, powerful device that's changing how we define small in 2025, and it might just be the battery king of this generation. Once upon a time, devices under 6 inches were considered compact. Fast forward to today, the new definition of small is anything under 6.3 inches. The Zenfone 10 was the last true sub-6-inch flagship. But with its exit, the bar has shifted, and now the OnePlus 13S, with a 6.3-inch screen, stands as a new kind of compact hero. Design and build. The phone features a flat front and back design surrounded by ultra-thin bezels and a smooth satin glass finish. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and refreshingly minimalist, offering a premium in-hand feel without the bulk. Button feedback is crispy and satisfying, and the overall aesthetics reflect what's trending in 2025: boxy, sleek, and clean. Display. Up front is a 6.3-inch AMOLED LTPO display that's anything but average. You're looking at nearly 1440p resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, 1600 nits peak brightness, as low as 1.1 nits for low-light comfort. This display is compact yet stunning, vibrant, sharp, and smooth, perfect for endless scrolling, streaming, and gaming. Performance and storage. Inside, it's rocking flagship hardware. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, up to 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage. This translates to lightning-fast speed, fluid multitasking, and top-tier gaming performance. Despite the size, there's no compromise on power. Battery. Now, here's the twist. The OnePlus 13S packs a massive 5,850 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. This is larger than most phones on the market today, including some that are physically bigger. The result? Up to 2 days of battery life with regular use, full brightness, 120 Hz, no problem, always-on usage without battery anxiety. It also supports 80W fast charging, taking you from low to full in under 30 minutes. Wireless charging? Missing, but you might not even care. The craziest part? It's not even a silicon carbon battery. It's standard lithium-ion, yet it still performs like future tech. Camera system. Camera-wise, this isn't the star of the show. Here's what you get. A decent main sensor shared with ROG Phone 9 and Moto Edge 50. A 2x telephoto lens, no ultra-wide. The camera is good enough for casual shots and social uploads, but it's not made for mobile photography enthusiasts. If camera quality is your top priority, you may want to look elsewhere. AI and software features. OnePlus spices things up with some fresh AI tools. Attach it to your favorite apps or features, from launching the camera to saving notes instantly. Oxygen OS 15 is also better optimized, with little touches like the icon pull-down gesture, ensuring everything stays one-hand friendly. Drawbacks. But it's not perfect. No wireless charging. Only optical fingerprint scanner, not oversonic. No camera shortcut via double-click power button. And worst of all, it's not officially sold in the US. Limited band support means importing this phone may come with trade-offs in network performance. So what's the verdict? The OnePlus 13S isn't a phone for everyone, but for power users who want a compact device with unmatched battery life, it's a dream. This is the Zenfone 10 reincarnated, but with more power, more AI, and smarter software. It won't beat the S25 Ultra in camera, but it'll likely outlast it in battery. And at a price around $650, it's serious value for money. Call to action. Miss compact phones? Let us know in the comments. Think this phone should come to your country? Smash that like button. For more smart tech breakdowns, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a drop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.